New at 6, chronic kidney disease affects more than 1 in 7 U.S. adults, with Texas ranking 4th when it comes to kidney failure. That's why Governor Greg Abbott reimposed the state's chronic kidney disease task force. He just named a chairman, a prestigious doctor who spent almost 30 years here in San Antonio. Dr. Francis Wright tells our Courtney Friedman he's ready to make progress statewide.
It's quite an honor and a challenge.
A challenge Dr. Francis Wright says is 40 years in the making. That's how long he's been working on kidney disease. The majority of that time developing transplant services at Methodist Specialty and Transplant Hospital right here in San Antonio. He even performed former Spurs player Sean Elliott's kidney transplant 20 years ago. Now he's stepping out of the OR and into a directorial role.
My main goals are to try and bring all the stakeholders together that deal with chronic kidney disease. There are many treatments that can slow or stop the progression of kidney disease. Sometimes primary care doctors may not realize are available.
Another huge goal is dialysis and transplantation access in a state that's mainly rural.
Many people in rural parts of Texas either have to deal with some type of home dialysis, or they have to travel sometimes several hours 3 times a week to obtain treatment.
Wright wants patients to know their options as early as possible so they never end up in kidney failure. He calls the task force job an open appointment with no set time period, but he says he'll stay until he sees some of his goals met.
There are so many things that can contribute to kidney disease and kidney failure, but here in Texas, the #1 by far is diabetes. So we are here right now on the west side at the Frank Garrett Community Center at San Antonio Metro Health's Diabetes Fair. So there are tons of things that you can do right now: glucose screenings, recipe books, food donations, some workouts, all things that help prevent diabetes and kidney failure, which we know so well are a huge deal in our San Antonio community. On the west side, Courtney Friedman, KSAT 12 News.